Good afternoon, my name is Nick Denikis. I'm here at Sweeney Chevrolet and Sweeney Buick GMC today. I'm the shop foreman in the service department. We're going to start a new series called Service Tip Thursday, where we give you, the customer, a service tip on your vehicle. This week we're going to talk about remote start on several different General Motors vehicles. We're going to go ahead and talk about remote starts on several different General Motors vehicles. Especially this time of year with the weather being all icy and snowy, remote start is very important. So some of you may not know how to operate remote start, so we're going to do a little refresher course. If you have a General Motors vehicle that is the year 2019 and lower, the remote start is actually two 10-minute cycles. So you have to hit the lock button at least one time and then apply and hold the remote start icon button on the remote. After that, the vehicle will start and you'll get a 10-minute cycle run, and then you can do a second 10-minute cycle run by doing the same process again. If you have some General Motors vehicles that are the year 19 and up, they now have a new feature where it's two 15-minute cycles. So you do the same thing again with your remote, where you can do the lock button one time, two times if you prefer, and hold the remote start icon on the remote, and then that'll give you the first 15-minute cycle, and then you'll go ahead and do the second 15-minute cycle the same way. Now for those customers that have the My Chevrolet or My Buick or My GMC app, you can go ahead and go on your app and hit remote start there and do the same thing. Now after doing said cycles, you have to go into the vehicle and do an ignition event. And I can demonstrate doing an ignition event with push button start or with the key if you have a key on the vehicle. If you have two 10-minute cycles or two 15-minute cycles, you'll have to come in the vehicle and actually physically do an ignition event. This particular vehicle has push button start, so I'm going to go ahead and hit the push button and start the vehicle. Should your vehicle not have remote start installed from the factory when you purchase a vehicle from Sweeney's, we can possibly get a remote start kit installed for you. You'll click on SweeneyCars.com, go under GM Accessories, build your make, model, and year, and then you're going to call in to our business development center or one of our service advisors to verify that your vehicle by VIN number is compatible to have remote start kit installed. Then we can go ahead and get that installed here at Sweeney Chevrolet or Sweeney Buick GMC. All you have to do is make an appointment. For those of you that don't know where the VIN number is located, it's right below the left side of the windshield, or you can grab your VIN number off of your insurance card, and also your My Chevrolet, My Buick, or My GMC app has the VIN number located in the app. That's going to wrap the video up today for Service Tip Thursday. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and as always, share with your family and friends. Thank you today for joining us here at Sweeney Chevrolet and Sweeney Buick GMC, and have a good day.